Friends, sorry, I had not seen that this question number 3 is continued this side also. So let's continue the question number 3. I finished up to D part in my previous video, but I started with match the following and I didn't see that side, so let me complete this question first. Group whose elements have zero valency, everybody knows it is 18th group. Okay, a covalent compound formed by an element in period 2 and a halogen. Covalent compound formed by an element in period 2. Generally covalent compounds जो हैं they are made by carbon. नाइट्रोजन भी बनाता है बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर्म बिटवीन नॉन मेटल्स, लेकिन हम एक बहुत ही ईजी एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हैं CCl4 carbon and one halogen chlorine. Non-metallic element in present in period 3 of group 15 and 16. 15-16 ग्रुप के थर्ड पीरियड के जो नॉन मेटेलिक एलिमेंट हैं, 15 का फॉस्फोरस है एंड ग्रुप 16 इट इज़ सल्फर. Okay, so non-metallic 15th group non-metal is phosphorus, 16 is sulfur from period 3. Then an electrovalent compound formed by an alkaline earth metal and a halogen. ये भी आप अभी आयनिक कंपाउंड में पढ़ चुके हैं ना. alkaline earth metals calcium magnesium with halogen, so you can write the compound as MgCl2 and CaCl2. Both you have done in the example of ionic compound. Then bridge elements of period 3 of group first, second and third. So you have to tell the bridge element up to 3 periods. Okay, so let's see here the bridge elements are given. So up to first, second and third group. 13 को उन्होंने third group शो किया है. So the bridge elements will be lithium magnesium, beryllium aluminium एंड बोरॉन और सिलिकॉन देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि सिलिकॉन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम 14th ग्रुप. तो हम इतने ही ब्रिज एलिमेंट्स दे सकते हैं. दैट विल बी द पेयर ऑफ लिथियम मैग्नीशियम एंड बेरिलियम एंड एल्यूमिनियम. ओके, सो दीज आर द ब्रिज एलिमेंट्स. alkali metal in a period 3 that dissolve in water to form a strong alkali. Alkali metal of third period, you can see the periodic table. This first group belongs to alkali metal and third period of course it is they are talking about sodium. Sodium will be the answer. Then typical elements of group 14 and 15. Typical elements क्या समझाए थे मैंने? They are elements of period 3. Actually they are representing the properties of their respective group. That's why they are typical, because they are not the first group of their first element of their respective group. They are the elements which are present in third period. So typical elements of third period of group 14 will be silicon and 15 will be phosphorus. Okay, then alkaline earth metal in period 3. alkaline earth metal मतलब second group और period 3 का जो element होगा that is magnesium. Now let's continue with question number 6. Write down the word that will correctly complete the following sentence. Relative atomic mass of a light element up to calcium is approximately dash is a dash its atomic number. ज़्यादातर ये देखा गया जो इवन नंबर में एटॉमिक इवन नंबर में जो एटॉमिक नंबर होते हैं, सच एलिमेंट्स दे हैव देयर मास नंबर जस्ट ट्वाइस ऑफ द एटॉमिक नंबर. Okay, so if you see the carbon atomic number 6 which is even and its mass number is 12 which is twice of the atomic number. So that's why we can write relative atomic mass of light element up to calcium is approximately twice its atomic number. Then the horizontal rows in periodic table. horizontal rows को क्या कहते हैं? periods कहते हैं. Going across a period left to right atomic size बताओ decreases. Then D, moving left to right in the second period number of valence electrons. अगर सेकेंड पीरियड में हम चलते हैं तो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे वेरी करेंगे? दे विल सक्सेसिवली इंक्रीज बाय 1. सक्सेसिवली इंक्रीज बाय 1. मूविंग डाउन इन सेकेंड ग्रुप number of valence electron, second group हो, 13 group हो, 14 group हो, condition is same, valence electron remains same. Okay, then question number 7. Name the alkali metal. How many electrons do they have in their outermost orbits? तो alkali metals आपने मैंने आपको बताया ना, except hydrogen start from lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Then they contain one electron in their valence shell. Take any one alkali metal and write its reaction with oxygen, water and acid. That is an important question. Question number 7, part B. So let's take example of sodium. Question number 7, part part B. Let's consider the element sodium. Now we have to show the reaction of sodium with oxygen, water and acid. तो सबसे पहले हम reaction of sodium with oxygen दिखाएंगे. You know alkali metals they readily react with oxygen forming their respective oxides. So इसको balance करेंगे हम. This is the balanced equation for first condition, reaction of sodium with oxygen. Then second, reaction of sodium with water. Sodium can readily displace hydrogen from water and the reaction will be so vigorous and exothermic that it catches fire. So it will form its hydroxide. Sodium जल जाएगा, hydrogen gas भी burn होने लगती है and it is displacement reaction. Then third, reaction of sodium with acid. Here also the vigorous and very explosive reaction takes place because sodium very speedily displaces hydrogen from the acid, thereby forming and liberate hydrogen. It is NaCl. Okay, so this is about the reaction of sodium with water, oxygen and acid.